Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinite Division platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 27th August 2021 in shift 2. So let us see this question first. Question says, the ratio of equivalent resistance of the network shown in the figure between the points A and B. So these are the 2 points between A and B. When switch is open and switch is closed is X ratio 8, which has been given to you. So we need to find out the value of X. So the equivalent resistance, first of all, we'll be finding the equivalent resistance when the network in which the switch is open. So let this RO be the equivalent resistance when switch is open between A and B. So this is the value of equivalent resistance that you will be getting. And if it is open, if this switch is open, so no current will flow through the middle path. Okay, so the entire the current which is coming from A, it will be distributed just like this, and it will go like this. If I current comes from here and I1 goes above and I2 goes below, so this would also have I2 current, this would also have I1 current, because I1 current was flowing just like this, and no current will flow through the switch. So that means these two would be in series. So, and these two again would be in series. So 2R in series with R, the equivalent resistance that we are getting is 3R, and again 2R in series with R, you will be getting 3R. Now along A and B, this 3R must be in parallel with 3R. So the answer would be 3R by 2. So RO we are getting as 3R by 2. When the switch is open, so the equivalent resistance comes out to be 3R by 2. Then now when switch is closed, so what would be the equivalent resistance? So let it be RC when switch is closed. So when the switch is closed, then the entire setup would be just like this. It will behave as if it is a wire. So that means the potential of this point and this point would be equal. So it can be merged into a single point because the potential of these two would be equal. So at this scenario, in this particular situation, now this 2R would be in parallel with this R, and again this 2R would be in parallel with R. Now the combination of these two would be in series. So what you will be getting, eventually the equivalent resistance of the combination would be these two are in parallel with R. So the equivalent resistance of it is 2R into R by 3R. So you'll be getting as 2R by 3. So for this also you'll be getting the equivalent resistance as 2R by 3, and for this also you'll be getting equivalent resistance of 2R by 3. Now these two would be in series. So in closed circuit, the equivalent resistance comes out to be 2R by 3 multiplied by 2, because these are in series. So you'll be getting as 4R by 3 is the equivalent resistance that we are getting. Now what you can do is you have to take the ratio of RO by RC. So it would be 3R by 2 and 4R by 3. Okay, so RCR, and you'll be getting 9 ratio 8. So this is the expression that we are getting. Okay, open by closed switch. So this was open by closed switch. Okay, so compare it with the above expression. X by 8 must be equal to 9 by 8. So the value of X comes out to be 9. Okay, so this is the value that we are getting. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.